Hey, this is Robbie Jeffco with Badge Pass, and today we're going to look at how to clean your NXTElite card printer. Your NXTElite card printer needs to be cleaned every 1,000 card prints. You can buy a regular cleaning kit. This will come with 5 adhesive cards and 5 alcohol swabs. We'll use these in just a minute. Next, we're going to look at the steps you need to take to begin cleaning your NXTElite card printer. For this cleaning process of the NXTElite card printer, we're going to be using the LCD screen. To begin, we'll click the gear icon at the bottom right hand corner, and then we'll want to click the top left icon with the hand with a little cleaning swab on it. What's great about this is this will give you the 3 steps you need to follow before the cleaning cycle can begin. The first step says to remove the cards from the input hopper. So we'll open the input hopper, move the cards, set them to the side, and you'll notice you'll get a green check mark stating that the step has been completed. The next step is to remove the ribbon. So press down on the top of the card printer, remove the ribbon, and set it to the side, and then close the top of the card printer again. You will notice you'll get a green check mark once it's been approved. The last step is to open the input hopper once more, take the card size gauge, and make sure you're moving it all the way to the right at the max settings. Once that's complete, close the input hopper, and then press the LCD screen. Now we can begin the cleaning process of the NXTElite card printer. First, let's go ahead and open up the input hopper once more. And we can take our card, and you'll be able to peel off the front sticker, showing the adhesive side. You'll then have 2 options on the LCD screen. You'll have the regular cleaning option, which is on the left button, and the advanced cleaning option, which is the right button. Today we'll be doing the regular cleaning option. So go ahead and select the button. It will give you the option to go ahead and enter in the card. So let's go ahead and place it here. The printer will take the card and will begin cleaning the rollers within the card printer. Once the card pops out, you may notice some dust stating that it has been done successfully. The final step of cleaning your NXTElite card printer is to make sure we clean the printing head. This is where your alcohol swab will come in handy. Go ahead and press down at the top of the indent to open the ribbon cartridge area. You'll notice this print head. You want to take your alcohol swab, squeeze it together. This will allow the alcohol to flow through the swab, and you want to make sure you clean it from left to right. We'll do it a few times, and then once that's complete, you can then close the top of your card printer, and you'll get a check mark stating that your cleaning process is now complete. Congratulations, you've now cleaned your NXTElite card printer.